This video will explain how to install a window contact on a double hung window. Double hungs have a lower sash and an upper sash that move. Single hungs only have a lower sash that moves. The upper sash is fixed in place. So then on a double hung, what you're going to want to do, and on a single hung, do not drill into the lower sill. If you do this, you're going to cause a water leak. There's going to be water into the wall. Your customer's not going to be happy. In addition, you're going to get water in your contact and you're going to have corrosion. A third reason would be most manufacturers, if you penetrate the sill, they'll void their warranty. So they'll say, hey, the window is no good at this point because you've damaged it by drilling a contact in. So you want to avoid this at all costs. It's going to be a headache for you and it's going to be a headache for the customer. On a double hung, because the upper sash does move down, you're going to want to have some kind of contact on that sash as well. Otherwise, someone can pop the lock, push down the upper sash, and climb in without setting off the system. So you're going to want to contact both the upper sash and the lower sash. The easiest way to do this is with a contact that is wireless and installing it between the two sashes. So that way, no matter if the upper one goes down or the down one comes up, it goes off. So points to consider on a double hung, you have top and bottom both moving. You cannot drill into the sill because this will void the warranty for the manufacturer as well as cause leakage problems for the customer. And not all windows are double hung. Some are single hung, and those are fixed on top, so you can just install a contact on the bottom on a single hung, but on a double hung, you're going to want to have a contact that covers both. So let's take a look at what you can do to cover both upper and lower sashes. In this case, we've installed a wireless contact on the lower sash and a magnet on the upper sash. That way, if the upper sash goes down or the lower sash comes up, the alarm goes off. In some cases, the upper sash has a narrower area, so you won't be able to install the magnet like this. You can use a small flat magnet and that will still work.